Hello trader, it's Peeps Comer FS guys. So this is just like a weekly recap, weekend are for learning, like I always tell you guys. And sometimes you have to just take a look at what you did for the week and review it. So this week, guys, I've been so happy, super excited because this was one of my best week on Euro USD to be precise. I have a back-to-back profit hit on it. All right, so I have like straight four incredible 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio on Euro USD just alone this week. All right, so now how do I take this trade, guys? Over the course of the week, last week, I saw this high was swept and we have a shift in structure. All right, and I saw this pullback that failed to take out this previous high, and also price came again, go back and fail to take out that previous high. And I knew that once we're going to have this several pullback that failed to take out the overall high, I know that this is going to be used as liquidity. So when price came and took out this liquidity, all right, I have to look for an entry on the 15 minutes time frame, and I took that trade, just risking how many pips. Let me go to 15 minutes time frame so we can have a closer look at what happened there. Risking all right, so once we took out that high, all right, I just have to risk like 25 pip on this trade, making sure that my stop loss is above this previous high. And I was targeting 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, which the trade actually played out that day, and I hit full take profit, which I was super excited. So once I see that we have a shift in structure, all right, this low was taken out, but not with a body anyway. But I knew that price is going to be shifting. Reason be that price has been bullish for a long while, and I'm looking for some bearish movement to happen in the market. So once this happens, I know that the next day we are coming down. All right, so the next day I was expecting price to actually get to this level, use this level as liquidity. But when I woke up around London session, guys, I saw this movement here and I saw a shift in structure here. All right, you notice how we have this shift in structure, and I saw this pullback. I took this trade and making sure my stop loss was at around 30 pips stop loss. All right, giving me 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. And that same day I hit a full TP, which I was super excited about. All right, now the following day I took this trade, all right, knowing where that the price closed full. If you be following my video, sometimes when I tell you that when price close in a way, you can tell how far the pullback is going to look like. All right, so I'm going to be recording a video telling you guys about different trend, all right, where we have a strong trend, weak trend, and you need to understand how to actually take trade in this type of trend. All right, so for this kind of market, it's more like a strong trend. What do I mean? If you notice the pullback on this movement on this chart, we are not having anything like 50% pullback. Notice, if I have to kind of, let me just do a little bit of education here for you guys so we'll learn something. All right, notice on the fib here, normally what people do is you look for 50% pullback, all right, but not on every trend. That's why I say, so the way the price closed on the previous day will actually tell you how the pullback is going to look like 80% of the time. All right, you have to train your eyes to see these things as a trader. So I noticed that I was expecting 50% pullback, all right, because the trend has not actually started. But once I could not get 50% pullback, and I just saw this little pullback and I saw a shift in structure, I took this trade. And once I saw this, I know that we're not going to be having any pullback that is going to give us that 50%, because this trend is a strong trend. All right, notice again, this next day you saw this. See, this is 50%, but price could not get to 50% because of the way price closed on this particular day. I know that we're going to be bearish as well. You saw what happened, price traded. So I took this trade, all right, and I could not get my 1 to 2, but I made some profits and I exited it. All right, I think I exited the trade around somewhere here. But on this particular day, which was on Thursday, I did not make any profit. I was expecting 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. I entered the trade, it played out, it gave me some profit, but by the end of the day, price consolidated back and get to somewhere here. What I did is I actually closed this trade. The reason I closed this trade is I was actually expecting maybe before NFP, all right, that price may take this high, use it as liquidity. So I was actually expecting this. That was why I marked this on it. So I was expecting price to play to this level, take out this high, or maybe get a little bit closer, all right, before the NFP will drop. But before the NFP, I never saw any of that, but I saw a change of character around somewhere here. And I took this trade just risking like 70 pip. My stop loss was actually really tight on this trade because I was actually looking forward to lose like $30 and make like $200 to $300, which I took this trade before NFP on Friday. All right. And the market actually respects the news actually respect the market structure, which was the bearish movement, and I was able to hit a full TP on this trade, which was a beautiful trade for me. All right, I felt super happy for this week, and the evidence of all this trade are just one step away. All right, so you will see here that I said I did not make any much profit. It was about $5 because I could not hit my TP and price pulled back, and I exited the trade, all because of the next day, which was on Friday, expecting the NFP to play out. So all these trades are just here, and I just want to share with you guys that there are times that when you understand what you are doing in the market, you can have a back-to-back winning trade in a row. It's very, very possible. All right. So one thing I've learned to do is, since I know that this is possible in the market, I've decided to make sure that I never revenge any trade. All right. When I hit stop loss, I will take it with good faith. You need to understand that. Because if I can be having so much winning ratio, why would I be chasing the market or doing a revenge trade, or when I hit stop loss, I'll feel bad about it? So that is what I've resolved to trading, making sure my stop loss is intact, no pushing it. If I hit stop loss, it's fine. I come another day and hope for a good, smooth week close. All right, so guys, this is all I want to share with you. If you like what you see and you would like to learn from me, what I do here on my page, both TikTok and YouTube, is I share daily trading setup here, and if you be following me, you will testify to that. But if you're not following me and you're just seeing this video for the first time, quickly click to follow my page, and also share with other people, like and comment, and I'll see you on my next video, guys. Have a wonderful time. Bye.